Ready to create your digital business card? With KADO, you can get your card in just 2 minutes. Start by adding your info, your name, job title, and contact details. Next, personalize your card with your favorite colors and style. Edit your profile anytime. Update your company details, such as your logo, website, and office info to keep it current. Then personalize your profile. Change your photo or contact details anytime, anywhere. Add even more to your card. Include your socials, videos, or links to your projects. Everything in one place, ready to share. Now it's time to share your card. Send it via email, message, or post it on social media. You can also share it through your QR code, NFC card, or even your phone wallet, so your info is always just a tap away. Download KADO for free and start sharing today.